Hello everyone and welcome to Oddly Pleasurable Gadgets, special Valentine's Day edition. The big day is almost here and we are super excited. Let's start by reviewing gift ideas that are fun, romantic and sweet, gifts for the entire family. And before we begin, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you are notified when we review new products.
Amazing.
Number 1 on our list is rose with LED lights. So simple to set up and use. Enchanted silk rose in a glass dome with LED. Romantic rose kit for anniversaries, birthdays, and Valentine's. And it gets 4.5 stars Amazon rating. Number 2 are colorful bath bombs, a great gift for everyone. So satisfying and fun. Just drop these bath bombs and watch the rich fizzy bubbles dissolve. Bath bombs are an all-time favorite and make for a great gift. Number 3 I Love You to the Moon picture frame. This one needs no introduction, a picture frame that is a sweet reminder of beautiful memories past, present and future. Number 4 Dog bandanas. Buy adorable bandanas for your best friend. These bandanas are ideal for small and large breeds, and come in several patterns. Fun and colorful. Number 5 on our list is message in a bottle. Give your loved one a loving message. Comes with 100 capsules. Great to share with family, friends, and romantic interests. Coming in at number 6 a massager. Nothing beats a great massage. Powerful heating therapy, and a great gift for everyone. This machine displays low-level noise. Wide-range variable speed. Is great for back and wrist, thighs and calves. Number 7 Pentoy glasses. Adorable Valentine's Day gift for kids. Cute kids glasses. Come in blue, yellow, pink and white. Frames of glasses contain 2 ballpoint pens. At number 8 plant hangers. Set the perfect mood by decorating your home with beautiful plants. This number 1 bestseller in hanging planters, sets the mood for any space in your home. Enhance your natural surroundings this Valentine's Day and all year round. Number 9, gorgeous women's sweater. Give a beautiful gift to the women in your life. This long sleeve crewneck sweater is trendy, fun, and goes well with any pair of jeans. Number 10, pillow covers. Decorate your home with Valentine's Day themed pillow covers. This fabric is comfortable and breathable. Easy to assemble, disassemble, and wash. Add this great decor to any home. At number 11, The perfect wife mug needs no introduction. Give your wife the perfect gift. This mug breaks down her nutritional value. Beauty, passion, and problem solving are some of her core ingredients, to name a few. At number 12, these Michael Kors earrings are a must-have. Give the perfect gift of stainless steel studs. Available in various designs that enhance anyone's natural beauty. At number 13, romantic package with a message. Share this decorative little bottle that contains a powerful and romantic message with the people you love. Small bottle with a big message will surely catch anyone's attention. At number 14, scented candles. Scented candles are the greatest gift for anyone. With just a few scented candles, you can fill your house with your favorite fragrances and create a comforting, relaxing mood. Whether you prefer floral, woody, or fresh scents, there's a scented candle for your abode.
At number 15, Jerky Heart. Forget about the traditional chocolates this year, and give your loved ones a box of mouth-watering beef jerky. Each box contains 10 delicious flavors.
At number 16, stress relief fidget. Get your loved ones the gift of relaxation with these stress relief fidgets. This is so satisfying. Appropriate for all age groups, and easy to use.
At number 17, comfy slippers for her. Give your lady the gift of comfort this Valentine's Day. Rated at almost 5 stars, these comfy slippers come in various fun colors and will surely make any lady smile. At number 18, comfy sandals for her. Give the man in your life comfy Adidas sandals. These trendy slippers come in various colors and are fun to wear. At number 19, Harvey the Heart Book. This book is about friendship and farts. Yes folks, you heard correctly. This witty and fun book is suitable for children and adults alike, and is surely to break the ice in any relationship. Our next product will keep your drink cold forever. Well, maybe not forever, but certainly for a very long time. Introducing number 20, bullet-shaped ice cubes.
At number 21, What I Love About You book. You fill in what you love about your partner in the designated areas within this book, based on various questions asked. This gift is sentimental, original, and will surely be a crowd favorite.
At number 22, You Are My Rock. This one is another sentimental gift, an engraved rock that states, Happy Valentine's Day. My heart beats for you every second of the clock. I am yours. And you are my rock.
And at number 23, A Rose Bear. This one needs no introduction, it is simply adorable, and makes for a great gift to give to anyone. Product links to all of today's suggested gift ideas are listed in the description below our video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.